Alright guys, we're going to be doing a tie rod in real time here. Let's get to it. Got our wheel off. It's going to work for most tie rod ends. We got our cotter key here. We got to get that out. A lot of tie rods will have cotter keys, some won't. See if you can get it to spin, straighten out. Cotter keys can be a pain sometimes. We got her moving around a little bit. We'll put a pick in the other end. See if I can get her to budge. She's starting to move. We get real rusty in there. Come on, get out of there. Got her. Alright, next thing we want to do is loosen up this jam nut at the end. This one's a 15/16. I already broke it free. Sometimes you gotta put a pipe on your wrench or whatever. Use a crescent wrench if you don't have a wrench that big. But you just gotta break it free. It's free. I turned it just a hair. Now we gotta take our nut off. This one's a 19 mil. If you don't have an impact, it can be a pain if the ball joint spins. Impact makes it easy. Spins right off. Now we gotta break that tie rod free. We're gonna hit it right on the steering knuckle here. You'll kind of see it budge. That means it's came free. And there we go. All right, we're gonna match up our new tie rod end. You wanna make sure it's the same length. Go center to center on the ball. Make sure it's the same length. Some tie rods are slightly longer or shorter. And this should just spin off. We're gonna count the spins. And I'm keeping pressure outwards. $23.5. Now I'm gonna put a little grease on this. Because if you ever have to take your tie rod back off for a different repair or whatever, putting a little grease will really help. Somebody already did that to this one, which is cool. Now's a good time to check for play on your inner tie rod. Pull it straight in and out. This one's tight. So we're gonna get that 23.5 spins going. See, it didn't take. One, two. There we go. We're all set there. We're just gonna pop her right back in. All right, something ain't right here. So we're gonna pop her back in, clean that hole out a little bit. We've got a new castle nut and cotter key with our set. If your boot doesn't come with your tie rod, now's the time to pop it on. Install your grease zerk in the top. Pop your tie rod in, tighten it down, whatever the torque specs are, and then tighten down your jam nut on the back. Should be good to go. We did a bunch of other work on this vehicle, so it's gonna go for alignment afterwards. That's how you do an outer tie rod end. We got our jam nut tightened here. The grease zerk's on, greased up. Castle nuts in with the cotter key. Put the tire back on. And go get an alignment, guys.